The sneaker that I have in my collection is the Nike Air Max 90 in the Mars Landing colorway, and I put on these reflective laces that they came with from the factory, and they look so cool to me. Seeing that look, I went ahead and searched the internet for something similar, and I ultimately came across these reflective laces from New Balance. I even went to the New Balance stores in both New York and London, and lo and behold, they weren't available. So I had to hop back online, and to my surprise, they offer free shipping on newbalance.com as a rewards member. Each pair of laces goes for $3.99, so to me I think that's well worth the experiment to just see how it looks on a few of my pairs. I also haven't seen any videos on these New Balance brand laces, so I'm seizing this as an opportunity to showcase these to you guys if you're interested in purchasing. So New Balance offers 3 colors of these reflective laces, them being black, silver, and white. I opted for the 45-inch variant, which is recommended on sneakers with 6 to 7 eyelets. I did go with the 40-inch in the black color though, because they didn't have 45 inches in stock. Again, for only $4 a piece, I figured I don't have much to lose. And fun fact, all these laces are made in the USA, so if you decide to throw these on a made in the USA pair of New Balances, it's a double whammy for you. And on that topic of New Balance pairs, I have a bunch in my collection, but I decided to grab these 3 pairs to be sort of the test subjects with these reflective laces. I picked these 3 partly because they all have hits of reflective material that New Balance is known for, but also because the colors of the factory flat laces match the colors of the reflective ones I just picked up. These 3 pairs being the gray 574, the black with Rosin 990 V4, and the J.Crew navy blue 1300. I've made videos on all 3 pairs, so be sure to check them out on my channel if you haven't already. So I'm recording this voiceover in advance, so I figured by this point I have clips of me unlacing and lacing these sneakers up. Notice how I prefer to lace these up by going over the lace holes and not under. There's no rhyme or reason to it, I just prefer the even look it gives the sneaker. Additionally, this is a great time to just chat a little more about these laces. The real use case for these reflective laces is for visibility while running. Beyond just a cool design, the real purpose for reflective material on sneakers in general is to be seen, as running is one of those activities that require a high visibility. I guess I could also just use this time to say hey and plug my other videos. I have a bunch of sneaker content on this channel, and if you're a first-time viewer, you should be sure to check out those videos. I'd love to hear any feedback you may have, so let me know what you think. Okay, so with all the laces on the sneakers now, I'm not really sure what to think. Upon first glance, they all have this sort of sparkly and ribbon-like look to them. I don't know, it's definitely an interesting look. I sort of get like elementary school vibes to these, or like laces on shoes that you'd see little girls wear. I don't know, it's definitely very interesting, as I mentioned. But then when a light hits them, to me it looks super cool. So whether it's at night and a light hits them at the right angle, or you take a picture with flash, that's when you really see the reflective material shine. To me, I think it adds a great pop and complements the sneakers even more. Overall, I think if you're just bored of the plain laces that your sneakers came with from the factory, these reflective laces are a nice little addition. At only $4 a pair, I think it's worth the experiment as well. But really, that wraps it up for this video. Let me know what you guys think of these reflective laces in the comment section. Is it worth the additional effort? Would you try these out on your sneakers? I'd love to read all about it in the comment section. If you like content like this too, let me know. I'm always trying to find other video ideas that aren't sneaker reviews, so maybe something like this is something I'll continue to do. But that about does it for this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more content to come.